Hi team, we're back for a new trimester of tracking our academic and career readiness GPAs. Again, I've got the tracking sheet right here, which we're going to do one for every class. So you'll want to have that tracking sheet and put that at the front of the binder section for each class. And then to the side here, I've got my progress report and then just one of the career readiness grades for this student. So for this trimester, we are going to use this student's ICP-B class to do our tracking. So as we start off, we look and we see that the grade for this student is an A- or a 90%. Remember, we're going to go back to this and we're going to look and see if we can find a 90%, which we'll notice that that falls in the 3.67 range. So then we'll go back to our tracking, and our first point we're going to put at 3.67 for today's date, which is 12/1. So 3.67 is going to be just above the 3.5 line, and we'll put it right there. And then remember to put the actual percentage, or the actual GPA, right beneath it. So then the next one we'll look at is the career readiness grade. And for the CRG for this student, we have a 3, a 3, a 4, and a 4. And just like before, to find the average of these, what we'll do is we'll add them all up. So we'll do a 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4, and we'll get our total, which is 14, and then divide by 4, which gives us a 3.5. So then we'll go back to the sheet here and we'll look and see where a 3.5 falls, and it actually is going to fall in the middle here, in the middle of an A- and a B+. So then I'm going to come here to the 3.5. I'm going to grab my second bullet point, and I'm going to put that right at the 3.5 line, which is going to be right there. So I'm going to move this over just a tad bit so I can see that correctly. And then I'm going to put the 3.5 right underneath it. And with that, I have plotted both of my points. So this is the process. Again, you're going to do this for every one of your classes. It's really important that you do this for all 5 of your classes so you can see where your progress is. Today, we're not going to draw any of our dotted or solid lines because it's the first day that we're tracking. You'll notice down here, these are the dates that we'll be tracking our career readiness grade and our academic GPA, just so you have that for the future. If you have any questions, make sure to ask your advisor. Good luck, happy tracking, and let's start this trimester on a high note.